What? What is that noise? Back up, back up, back up! Hey guys, what's up? What's happening? It's Cameron. I'm back with
Ayana
and Jordan.
And we are finally making another video. Woo! I am on spring break from school, so I'm back home. They're not on spring break. Sucks to be them.
Yep.
And so we're just about to go on a trip. I'm trying to hurry up and go to this park, I know, but the building closes in like soon, so gotta drive now. Yeah. So we just got here and we're gonna try and get to the place.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Are you cold?
It's chilly and the wind is blowing.
Why didn't you put a coat on? There it is, Watkins Nature Center. Let's see if we can get inside. Here, let's just go in. Open it. Is it locked? Oh. Yep. Alright. Alright, just like... What is this?
It's a
Spotted salamander.
Come on, we gotta look fast. Look faster.
Spotted salamander.
I don't even see it in there.
no, it's a python.
A python? Where? Oh!
I think it's pregnant. Oh, never mind.
Hurry. Keep looking. Look faster. Scan. Oh, look at these birds. Oh, this guy's active. What's up, dudes?
My favorite animal is a turtle.
Oh, another turtle. We gotta go now.
Guys, we're getting kicked out.
We're officially getting kicked out of somewhere. Finally. Alright, come on, we gotta go. We got kicked out. Check that off our list of things to do. So like they said, we don't have to get home, but we just had to leave out of there.
Yeah. The park itself is not closed, but the nature park, the
nature center.
nature center is now closed.
Y'all want to go to like a trail or something?
A trail? No.
One of the trails? Take them on the trail, right?
No, I don't want to walk.
We going on the trail.
Woodland trail, a wetland trail, and a spice bush trail.
All right, let's look at...
The woodland trail is 25 millimeters or miles.
It's a quarter of a mile.
Well, yeah. Kind of want to go down the wetland or the spice bush, because I miss my favorite show, Just Had Magic, and they had a spice bush. But, man.
I don't know, which one do you want to do?
I want to do the wetland trail. Yeah, the wetland trail.
Oh, over the bridge. Let's look over. Ooh, it's not that bad. All right.
So guys, now we are heading, it's the yellow and blue.
All right, they even marked some of the trees. Yellow and blue. Oh, that is super wet.
If I make one wrong move,
There you go.
I'm really.
Go.
What?
Nobody slip. Whoa! Don't slip. Okay. Here you go.
Guys, this is a wet or not situation.
Oh my gosh.
Ayana, you on the worst
This
side.
is intense. Ayana, why'd you go on that one? Go.
No.
Come across. Just step across that part. Yeah. There you go. Safer.
Is it wet or not?
This is some intense. Don't touch the lava.
Don't touch the lava! Challenge has been completed!
We did it. Look at me. Let's get to the next part. Oh, a sign. Which way does it say go for yellow? To the right. Do we want to go that way?
Yeah, look.
Let's take green.
That was the end of wetland.
Yeah, let's take green so we can go up on that mountain up there. Do what? Jump to the top.
Wait, I'm gonna try, guys.
Okay.
Ready?
Go. Yeah, do it again. Go.
Woo!
All right, my turn.
Will you be a survivor?
I made it. And
Fly.
You would just edit her quick.
I was here the whole time. Okay, here's the next sign. Bring it up this way. These are some giant steps. Oh my gosh. Wait for me! So now, after we climbed all those steps, we are way up on this thing. That's the... What? What is that noise? Back up, back up, back up!
Oh, a tree's about to fall.
Really?
Yes.
Which way?
I don't know. Can't
What is that noise?
something's about to fall.
Or a bird.
Should we keep going?
I think it was a tree.
It's a tree.
It's only happening when the wind's blowing.
Yeah.
I think it's this skinny tree right here.
The one leaning against that broken.
Okay, we have confirmed it's not an animal. On with the trek.
But we still don't know if it's a dangerous tree.
So we are seriously high up. And literally everyone wrote their names in these trees.
Yes.
Oh, I still see green. We're on the right path. If we get lost in these woods, that would be bad. This is becoming more of an adventure than we thought. It's getting dangerous out here. Crazy sounds.
John.
The wind is blowing all the trees and the trees are literally shaking.
I almost fell.
Almost fell. Oh, now we're going back down the mountain. Be careful as I trip. The sun's also dropping fast. It feels like we've been in here forever. There's a river though. But we have to figure out how to get on the other side of this river.
You know how?
I'm walking up the side.
There's like a log.
Well, look at you! Better walk into a tree! How are we supposed to cross that tree to get back up there? Oh man.
Can I go?
That's not safe. Let's keep going. I'm so tired of hearing all these scary noises. Did y'all hear that?
Yeah.
Come on, let's figure out how to get out of here quickly. This is getting crazy. Guys, guys, guys. I think we might be lost.
Yes. There's no green on.
Oh no, what do we do? Oh my goodness, it's a bridge. It's the bridge. Look, we found the bridge. Another one, so we can get out. Okay, so as you guys can see, the sun dropped so quick, like so quick. It's kind of dark now. We made it back. We made it out of the woods, literally.
It's fun. It's spooky but fun.
We just wanted to come, go to the nature center, have a nice time. Nature center had to close, and then we took a hike. It was crazy. It was crazy. If you guys think we should come back and do another trail, comment that down below. And you know, we just might. If you haven't already, go ahead and tap that like button. If you want to see more, subscribe and turn notifications. Remember to always have fun and
See you next time.